In this video, I want to share how you can start affiliate marketing on a budget and make money fast. If you have checked out affiliate marketing already, I'm sure that you have found that many of the so-called opportunities are expensive to start and costly to maintain. And then, all too often, on top of that, they try to upsell you on systems, training, and coaching, further adding to the financial drain. Well, I'm here to tell you that is not necessary, and I will share a far better way. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay. I've been working online on a full-time basis almost since the start of the internet. Affiliate marketing is my favorite business model. I've done it for years, and it is my number one recommendation for people new to making money online. A big key to success is selecting the right affiliate offer to promote. And before we get going, can I ask you to help me out? If you are new to my YouTube channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button right now and also hit the notification bell too, because I post multiple new videos every week and you'll want to be sure you get the information. Also, I hope you will support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button also to let YouTube know this is the kind of content you like. And then one last favor, in the comments below, please let me know how you got value out of this video. So, not only can you make great money with affiliate marketing, but you can do it with a very minimal time commitment. I think it is the ultimate way to create true financial freedom. You know, both more money and the free time to enjoy it too. See, I ski most days in the winter and I sail most days in the summer, while most people are busy at their jobs, and I build my affiliate marketing business while I'm doing it. If you are new to the idea, affiliate marketing is where you sell someone else's product or service and make money. If you do it right, it's actually far easier than you think. There are many affiliate offers to choose from. When I first checked it out years ago, I was surprised to learn that there are affiliate offers for almost everything. And many people have bought something in the past through an affiliate link and not even realized that it was an affiliate deal. Because there are so many affiliate marketing opportunities, one of the big challenges in getting started in affiliate marketing, especially if you are on a budget, is selecting the best offer to promote. So let me start by sharing a few tips on that. First, be sure you only select top quality products or services to promote. I think the acid test is the product must be something you would be happy to share with a loved one. You know, something you would be proud to be part of. And I mention that because too many affiliate products are just not that good. Some I definitely would not want my name associated with. And while you're checking out affiliate products, avoid the so-called high-ticket affiliate offers. And not just because we're talking about getting started on a budget, but also because it is very difficult for beginner affiliate marketers who do not have marketing experience or an established email list to get into profit quickly with those. Next, pay close attention to how you get paid with various affiliate offers. Most only pay small, one-time commissions of only a few %. I was surprised at how many affiliate products on Amazon, for example, only pay 2 or 3%. Well, to make significant money that way, you'll have to sell a large number of products every day. Well, here's a fact. Most people cannot do that, especially beginner affiliate marketers. So don't get taken in by the hype and the excitement. Let me give you some specifics on how I suggest you start affiliate marketing on a budget. And the business I want to share is ideal for experienced marketers too. I build this business myself. It is my number one recommended income stream. It's a high-demand product from a well-established company. I use the product regularly. It is terrific value. People buy it, like it, and keep it long-term. The business only requires a small startup cost, pays out one of the highest percentage commissions I've seen, and pays long-term passive, recurring income too. That's money that keeps coming in month after month. You will love getting paid months from now for a sale you make today. I really like getting paid by direct deposit every Thursday. Thanks to our simple, proven marketing system, anyone can do this affiliate marketing business No previous skills are needed. It only takes minutes per day, and because it's all done online, you can do this whenever you want from wherever you happen to be. Remember how I said I even do this while I'm out sailing? We have the best training and support in the home business industry. We have an extensive online training website that you can access 24/7. We have 6 live Zoom calls each week. We have a terrific Facebook group where we share ideas and answer questions. And on top of that, I will be your personal mentor and coach. I invite you to take advantage of my 30 plus years experience in the home business industry. I will show you how to not just start affiliate marketing on a budget and make money fast, but how you can create a full-time income in as little as 30 minutes per day. To learn more, go to my website at makemorefaster.com. Again, that's makemorefaster.com. Go ahead and check it out. We'll talk soon.